Hey everybody, Chris from Nord Games here. I just want to give you an update on the current state of the Oracle RPG app. Here is the home screen. As you can see, we've got the content generators, RPG tools, campaign builder, marketplace, and community on here. If we go into the content generators and let's say that we want to make a location, let's say make a settlement. Right now we only have the random function enabled, but we're working on the pick and choose functionality as well. If we click a random settlement, it's going to give us all those details randomly. So we've got a city, its condition is dilapidated, its population is divided, its leadership is arcane custodian, and intrigue is time shifted quarter. That's pretty cool. If we don't like that one, we can just regenerate and it will create a totally different settlement for us. Like I said, the pick and choose functionality is what we're working on right now. Let's say we like this settlement, I can go ahead and save and I can go into my locations and it'll be in there. So let's go back to the rest of the generators. We've got the story generator, character generator, monster generator, and magic item generator in here as well. So going back to the home screen, we've got the RPG tools. Objects of intrigue, treasure trove, treacherous traps, elements of inspiration, and wandering monsters are all in here. We're pretty much focusing on these 5 and then the 5 content generators just to prove the concept and make sure everything is running well. There will be a total of 16 modules. Each one of these things is called a module in the app. There'll be a total of 16 modules when we take it to Kickstarter in a couple of weeks. So let's say that we want some elements of inspiration, for example, and our environment is underground. Right there, we've got 4 different possible things to encounter here. And if we roll the D4, it will highlight the one that it picks for us. If we want something different, we can explore again and roll the D4, explore again, roll the D4. So again, just inspiration for your tabletop RPGs there. If we want something more like a treasure trove, like loot drops and stuff, we would just go to the appropriate challenge rating and there you go. There's your loot drops. And you can roll a d12 to figure out what loot drops off of the creature or in the dungeon or whatever based on the challenge rating. If you want something new, just hit that button, search again, search again, search again, search again, and roll the d12. And you can also favorite these and bring them up later under your favorites. So RPG tools is looking really good. And then the last thing is the campaign builder. So inside the campaign builder, we have this campaign organizer where you can organize all of your components together. Components can be nested sort of in a parent-child hierarchy like this. We also, if you swipe on here, we've got all your components listed here. So all the components that you have for this campaign, you can go ahead and access them. And if you want to add them, you can click on that right there and it'll add them over to the organizer. Once you have added them, you can drag and drop them around. So here I'm just dragging this character into this settlement and now it'll show up as a child of that settlement. So very, very cool functionality in here. And here we are back to the home screen. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to follow the campaign. It is launching on the 27th. I'll put a link in the description of this video.